See, today I'm talking about some basic concept of chemistry. So this video is mainly for 11th standard and of course the 12th standard also with respect to the entrance exam. Okay. Now see the laws of chemical combination. One law is called as, under this topic, some basic concept of chemistry. First I am going to talk today, which is called as law of conservation of mass. Now what this law tells you? See, very simple. The total mass of the reactant is equal to the total mass of the products in any physical or chemical change. Means when the reaction take place, then you get the what product. Say chemical reaction take place, you get what product. Now if you take the mass of all the reactants and if you take the mass of all the product, those masses should be the same. Okay, that is what we call as law of conservation of mass. Example of this, suppose if I write example, if I take silver nitrate, to this I add here potassium chloride, KCl. Now you will get here the product. So what will happen? This chlorine will come here, nitrate will go there, and you will get the product as like this. Silver, we'll write in the same manner. So silver Ag, to that chlorine will add and therefore it will become Cl here. This is a white precipitate, so I will write it as S, precipitate. I have shown by arrow down to indicate that it is a precipitate. Plus, you will get here potassium. Now to this potassium, nitrate group will add. This nitrate is called as radical. So here, this nitrate radical will add. And see, therefore, if we take the mass of silver, mass of nitrogen, mass of oxygen, if we take the mass of potassium, mass of chlorine, and add up this total mass, then if we take the mass of silver, mass of chlorine here, mass of potassium, mass of nitrogen, mass of oxygen, then this total mass is found to be the same in the reactant and in the product. That is what we call it law of conservation of mass. Now, if we just take, suppose say I put here 108 plus nitrogen is say 14, oxygen is 16 3 48. This is the total mass of this. Potassium is here 39, chlorine is 35.5. So if you add this and if you add this, then this will be equal to same thing. Now see, it is rearrangement of atom. So in a reaction, it is just the rearrangement of atom. This is 35.5. You all can just add this and see what is it. Plus here, potassium will be 39, nitrogen is 14, and oxygen is 48. So if we add this and if we add this, then this mass here in the reactant and mass in the product, that will be the same. That is what is known as law of conservation of mass. Now I am leaving it to you to add up and see, find out what is the answer of this two. Okay. The next law which you have to study in the 11th standard is called as law of constant proportion or definite proportion. So the second law which we are going to study is law of constant or say definite proportion. Okay. Now here in this case, see what that law is. Simple, very simple. I'll just give one example first, then I will explain to you the law. Suppose say hydrogen combine with oxygen to form water. Now this water can be prepared by different method. So you can prepare water by adding sodium oxide and HCl, you get sodium chloride plus water. You can take hydrogen and oxygen, you get what? Water. But what we are talking about is water. So now in this case, the ratio of mass of hydrogen is 2 here and that of oxygen is 16. So 2 is to 16. What is that? Mass of hydrogen and the mass of oxygen, if you just take their ratio, then this will be what? 2 is to what? 16. Or that is equal to 1 is to what? 8. 1 is to 8. Now what this law of constant proportion or definite proportion tells you, whatever may be the method of preparation, you can prepare it by different method. The pure chemical compound contain the same element combined together in the same proportion by mass. So whatever may be the method of preparation I said, so I'll write like this, see, whatever may be the method of preparation of a compound, the mass of the element combined to form the compound bear a same ratio, So this is what I have given the explanation again. Whatever be the method of preparation of pure chemical compound, the element contain the whatever may be the method of preparation of what compound, the mass of the element combined to form the compound bear a same ratio. Now in this case here, the element here, water contain hydrogen and oxygen. So here the ratio of mass of hydrogen to oxygen is found to be 2:16. So you may prepare water in different form, irrespective of the method. So the pure chemical compound, it should be a pure chemical compound. Huh? See, whatever may be the method of preparation of compound, the mass of the element combined to form the compound bear a same what ratio. This is what simplified form I have given. So you may prepare a pure chemical compound by different method. The compound should contain the same element combined together in the same proportion by mass. Okay? So you can also say like this. Again I'll repeat. Or suppose say you have prepared a chemical compound by different method. So whatever may be the method of preparation of pure chemical compound, the compound contain same element combined together in the same proportion by mass, which I have given the explanation here. So the definition is what? I'll repeat again so that you can understand it very well. So I'll repeat again the law of constant or definite proportion. What the law says? Whatever may be the method of preparation of pure chemical compound, the compound contain the same element combined together in the same proportion by mass. And here I have given the explanation. Okay. So 11th standard student, please go to these two laws under the heading laws of chemical combination. Next video I will explain to you other law which is called as law of multiple proportion. And then I will explain to you very difficult thing that the student find, because from my experience I know that what is called as mole concept, students find it very difficult. So I will try to simplify in my next video what is called as mole concept. Okay, so just go through the whole thing just to understand and follow it as I am explaining. Okay.